Hi friends, today I visited a coffee, tea, dairy, poultry and food expo. Many brands participated in the event, including Levista and several other tea and coffee companies. The expo had both B2B and B2C opportunities. Some companies were looking for distributor, dealer and business partners, while others were directly promoting their product to consumer. There were exhibitors from different states, including Meghalaya, showcasing their tea products and regional specialties. You can also see the stall of the Coffee Board of India in this video. Apart from tea and coffee, there were dairy products, poultry related business, equipments, and various industry solutions on display. Since it was the last day of the Coffee Expo, the crowd was comparatively less, but many companies were still actively showcasing their products. Let's have a look at the highlights of the expo. Enjoy the video and don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thank you.